Hi, I'm Pennsylvania Attorney General Dave Sunday, and I'm here today with my good friend, Chief Dave Lash from the Northern York County Regional Police Department, who also happens to be president of the Chiefs of Police Association. And so we are here today to talk about the amazing work that police officers do every day, and in particular here on Law Enforcement Appreciation Day. And so, Chief Lash, it's an honor for you to be here with me. Thank you for joining me.
Yeah, thanks for having me, Dave. I always appreciate it.
Nope, that's great. And so I'd like to take a minute, kind of ask you a couple questions and, talk about the amazing work that police officers do.
Awesome.
And so to begin with, you're a police chief and you've been a police officer for how long?
33 years.
33 years. So you've been through a lot as a police officer and as a police chief. What does Law Enforcement Appreciation Day mean to you?
Well, being from, our part of the state, York County, we come from a very pro-police area. So I think in our county, Police Appreciation Day is every day. But it's nice to see, and it's nice for the officers to see on Police Appreciation Day, the words of kindness, the symbols of kindness that people put. We encourage people to have a blue light on at their house for Police Appreciation Day so that when officers are driving by, they just get that sense of being appreciated and loved by their community.
I always tell people that if communities aren't safe, literally nothing else matters. And from my experience working with police for a long time, I observed the fact that you have to have someone to make a situation safe. I mean, you police, oftentimes, you guys aren't very good at trumpeting your own victories and really talking about what you go through at all, to be honest.
Right.
Would you agree with that?
Yeah, absolutely.
And so what I can say is, when a police officer goes to a scene, it could be a domestic violence situation, which is very fluid. It could be just so many different things, but it's critical to have police to make sure that that situation is safe. Because then after that, would you agree that then police officers sort of transition into a little bit of a different role that they may not have had before?
Yeah, absolutely. There is a different emphasis now put on law enforcement, after arrest, post-arrest, post-incident, to deal with those social issues that may be behind that. We've all, over the years, have transitioned our thoughts on reentry programs, people coming back out of prison, and how do we help them as a society. And that comes down to the law enforcement as well, where it's just,
Right.
We looking for diversionary programs to help assist people to be better citizens.
I know that as a dad, I'm grateful that God forbid something happens, someone will come to help us if something happened to my son. And I know that it's been a tragic year for your department. And so, our thoughts and prayers are always with the families and with the colleagues and with the friends and the community. And thank you for your leadership. Thank you for being here. And we appreciate you and everyone today on Law Enforcement Appreciation Day.